Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Kart Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the support in the last video. I really appreciate the likes, views, comments. The support is very much appreciated. Thank you. Subscribers. So today, model cars and coffee. Thank you, Paul, over at Left Coast Model Car Builds, for hosting this awesome Sunday model cars and coffee event that we all love. I'm slowly running out of models. I think I've got maybe 5 or 7 or something like that left, but like even when I have the time off, I'll show what I got, but I'm getting down there, so I gotta get building. I gotta build some models. So I hope everyone's doing well. Today we're gonna show my 68 Corvette. It's this kit here, California wheels. Pretty cool kit. Got some nice custom rims in it. I didn't use mine, but anyways, yeah, if you like those bigger rims, they come in this kit. So I built this one for the first time I entered into Blue Ox Model Shop, Jason's group build. Was it the Street Machine? I think it was the second one. Street Machine group build. So I built my idea of a street machine. I'm more of a traditional day 2 style muscle car. Street machine is more up my alley. So I'll get you turned around and we'll have a look at this Corvette. Okay, so here's the 68 Corvette. This is the L88 version of this kit. So you can build this kit a couple different ways. You can build it kind of stock. Comes with L88 decals on the side. I didn't use mine. The hood was a real pain to get this even just in the body. After I'd painted it, I struggled to get it in, and yeah, that one, it was tough. And then I was going to use the decals, and I decided not to. I kind of had enough of it at that point. The paint wasn't drying like it should have been. It seemed tacky. You can see here, right here, where I was handling it at the last, when I last was doing all the last little bits on the body and stuff, I kind of messed it up a little bit right along here. Of course, my BMF kind of got messed up too, so I got to trim that. Anyways, it's got a little mark up here, a couple little marks down here, and so forth around the body. Some dust got in it, and I couldn't get the dust out. Yeah, this paint, duplicolor paint, I don't know if I painted it when it was humid or whatever, but yeah, this one gave me fits. Still turned out nice. I managed to get a little bit of polishing done on it. It feels dry now. This was like in 23, I think, but you can see the dust particles in it, and they're embedded. I didn't cover it. I forgot to cover it, and then I went away for work for 4 days. Came home and I was like, oh no, I didn't cover the paint. And this was already like a while after, like 2 weeks. So I usually leave them covered for a while. And yeah, 4 days of this one still, after 2 weeks, didn't cure. I don't know what the heck was going on with it. But anyways, so it's got parts box, wheels, the AMT parts pack, big and little red lines, which I think really set this one off. Make it look really nice. I love that big and little, and then the red lines. This is such a classy looking body style. Of course, the 427 is a story in itself. So flocking on the interior, seat belts, use UV resin in this one for the gauges. You can see in there. So UV resin in the gauges. Whoops, I'm bumping this thing. Oh, it doesn't want to focus here. Let's see if I can get it. So anyways, it's got UV resin on the gauges, UV resin on the tail lights, nice and shiny, on the side marker lights as well. It's got it. Signal lights here. Just a really great kit to build. Nothing too crazy underneath. We're still zoomed in. I just realized earlier I forgot to put the connectors to the side pipes. Oh, there's a little mark there. Just did some dry brushing techniques and a little bit of weathering in there. I think I used my rainwater wash and then lightly dry brushed silver just to give it a little bit of a worn look. I love how these torque thrusts look on there with the dark spokes. That's sharp. Ontario plates. Can't remember. Yeah. Anyways, I did if there was any significance to that, but so a ton of wiring. So I did fuel lines, throttle return, ignition, of course, battery. Oh no, there is no battery in this one. What do you call it? Heater hose. Yeah, coolant lines. Oh, I think this opens more. Oh, there we go. Yeah, just a really nice kit. Great looking 427. Oh, I forgot to put my wire to the, or my breather tube to the, from the valve cover to the air filter. See that now? Yeah, really nice kit. Did some firewall wiring as well in there. So yeah, really, like I said, really nice kit to build. Builds up really nice. And of course, it's the Stingray, so how can you go wrong with that, right? Such an iconic car, the 427 L88 Corvette. So thank you for checking out the video. I hope everyone's doing well, had a great weekend. I'm just on my split shift, going back to work tonight. Did my day shifts already. So I'm gearing up for 2 more nights, and then I'm going to have some days off. So I hope everyone had a great weekend, enjoying your Sunday. Talk to y'all soon. Prayers for those who need them, of course. And talk to you all soon. Thanks. Pat out. Model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.